Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So this video again I'm going to show you the scanner. Here the continuation pattern. So last videos we are discussing about the two candlesticks continuation pattern. This video I'm going to discuss about the three candle continuation pattern, or even that is multiple candle continuation pattern. So that pattern, when it is forms at a trending market, so even the trend can continue. So that kind of pattern, how to find out the trend continuation pattern. So last video we discussed about two candlesticks continuation pattern, that is in neck on neck pattern, right? So that is in neck and on neck pattern. If you find out, there is a good opportunity where you are going to make such a great money when you find out that kind of trades, right? But here another candlesticks pattern is nothing but uh, rising 3 and falling 3 method. So let's check about first of all how it is. Rising 3 method. So this is the exact candlesticks pattern. So can you able to see? The first day should be a bullish candle and followed by next 3 days should be the bearish candle. But this 3 days candle, but inside between the first bigger candle. The first candle should be very big, showing the strength of the market. But after next 3 days, market should be negative, very small in range. And fourth day, if market reaches all the levels and it is closed above that first day candle close, or even close above the higher the first day candle close, so that will give you some clear confirmation there is a continuation pattern. So how we are talking about this is as a continuation pattern, because the previous trend should be upside. Okay, the previous trend of the market should be up. So when it is forms an uptrend market, so there is a good opportunity where the trend is previous trend is up, and the next 3 days market is struggling, and fourth day it closes and it gives you the clear confirmation the trend is going to continue, right? So that is what the main concept. And let's check it about some other images what they are saying now. So it's a big red candle. So this is for a bearish condition. So that is a falling rising 3 method and falling 3 method, right? So here this is what a bullish condition. Once a big green candle, after that followed by a 3 small red candles, and the fourth day should be a big green candle. So we should buy above that last, that is the fourth day candle. So that is giving you confirmation. And this swing, this 5 days or this 5 days low, the lowest low should be the stop loss for the trade. So that is we called as a 3 rising method and 3 falling method. 3 rising method we will take for a bearish, and 3 falling method we will take for a bullish, right? So here rising method. So here you see, sorry, rising method. This is what a rising method. Rising method is for a bullish. Falling method. In the falling method, we got a green candles. In rising method, we got a red candles. So there is a falling candles, but if you check, this is a rising method. So after that broken that high, it market moves very big. So if you are finding out that kind of candlesticks pattern which forms in a stocks, it is quite difficult, right? Where I'm going to take any stocks like what we say, SOEU. I was checking that this stock that forms such a kind of information. The first share should be a very big bullish, and next 3 days should be market should be in range bound. So this is what a daily candles. So to find out that kind of candlesticks pattern, it is quite difficult to find out in the live market, right? So where we are using the scanners and screeners, that will help us to find out those stock which form that kind of pattern, correct? When we got that kind of pattern, so we will easily plan a trade according to the pattern. I seen some stock PEL, no, other stock I was check LTTS. The LTTS yesterday it moves very big. So could you able to see that the first candle should be very big bullish candle, this one, and the next 3 days market is fallen down and it is not breaking the low and it was staying inside, right? And this is not a big deal. So whenever the last fourth day candle it increases, okay, so this is what the exact pattern, so where we are going to follow. And the next day market opens higher than that the level high, so we don't have the opportunity to buy at this point, but market gives you the rally. That is the method where we are going to find out. And the previous trend should be bullish. The previous trend should be bullish, and there is a pattern. Again, the trend is continuous on the direction. So that is what the main importance of this candlesticks pattern. So let's we go for our charting scanner. So charting scanner that give you lot of that reduce my lot of work. So when I hit the button, it will scan for me. So it will give you such a great easier it will make me my work as easy instead of finding a naked chart where it is formed. So if you're checking data, so what kind of candlesticks is currently, so we don't find it, right? So it is quite tough to find it out. But when we are using the scanners and screeners, that will help us to find out those stocks which forms that kind of pattern. That is what very important, right? So that is why I'm using that. And some comments which I get it out. So one of my friend is commenting out, so instead of taking 1,000 scanners, 100 scanners, it is a one scanner is good enough. That kind of message I got it. So what I'm doing, so I have in my strategies also I have 4-5 different strategies. Why? Because I'm having a 4-5 different strategies. The market is not same for all the day. The market is reaction. The market reaction is different for each and every day. The same kind of market we cannot see. The yesterday's market is different for a today's market, and today's market is entirely different for a tomorrow's market. So we don't know, right? So sometimes it may be a range bound, sometimes it may be a volatile, sometimes it may be a trending. So when I have the strategies, one for a trending market, one for a range bound market, one for a V-shape, A-shape recovery market, whatever. So we don't know. So according to if you are taking that the market, so we will complete that market scenarios or strategies in a 3-4 ways. That is good enough. So one day market is keep on going up, so another day market is keep on going down. So some days market is trading a range bound, right? Some days market is moving up and suddenly it recovering down, or some days it going down and suddenly it recover up. So this is the market conditions where so almost some 5 different type of market condition we can see daily, right? So for example, this was the day where it is keep on going up, so it forms in the pattern 1 and pattern 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this way the market reacts daily different in ways, right? So I have 5 different strategies. What is the issue? So one strategy I can use here, one strategy I can use here, another one I can use here. So within a single strategy will not suit for all the day, right? So you must understand that. So you are making a comment. I don't know whether you are understand or not. If you one strategy give you such a money, there is no mechanical method to make such a great money in intraday or even a positional. So because the market is dynamic, it is changing each and every second. So how the method which is suitable for all kind of market. So please understand that. So before making a comment, so that comment may be useful to us because we are discussing about your comment, right? And we will learn something about your comment. So why you are asking in this question, like that. So only one scanner is good enough means how we can do. So the lot of candlestick scanner is there. Why a lot of candlesticks, right? So we have the pattern daily it's changing. So if you are taking the market, it's a flat for 3 days. But if I'm expecting fourth day flat, that will not same. Understood, right? So the candlesticks pattern which we easily find out that, right? So I'm not criticize you, but So you should understand whether your comment, or whatever you are making the comment. I know who I'm speaking with you, right? And he only says about 100 scanner, 1000 scanners is not good enough, right? If it is not good enough, don't waste your time at this here. Don't see. Whenever we must see. I'm also spending more time to make a video. It is not easy to make a video, right? I should make first and then I should edit. A lot of things is that to make a publish a video. So I have to do a lot of work, right? Keep understand. Okay. So this method, this candlesticks method, where we are going to make such a great idea. So if you are seeing that naked candlesticks pattern, so we cannot find. That is why I'm using the scanners and screeners. So rising three method. So we know that. So we have already created. That is quite difficult to create in a live market or a live video while I'm making the video. So it is taking a. So if anywhere we made a mistake, it will be giving you such a negative results, or it may not work, right? So that is the problem. So that is why I created. Now I'll run scan. So this is comprises of 4-5 days candlesticks pattern, right? Previously doji is nothing but open equal to close. We will easily create. So this kind of candlesticks pattern required attention. Okay, let's see. And what based on, I will share you that scanner on my YouTube Telegram channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, just subscribe the channel to get more update on my intraday and positional trading strategies. Okay, right. So what happened? A Mindtree and LTTS that was forming that kind of pattern. What I'm expecting, so that the candlesticks pattern that I'm expecting, the first day should be a big green candle, and the second day should be red, and third day should be red, and fourth day should be red, and fifth day, which I'm going to expect, there is a big green candle. So that must close above the close or must close above the side. So this is the pattern where I'm expecting for a rising three method. That is what a previous trend should be in up. And again, if you find this kind of pattern, so there is a market is going to moving up. So that is what the main idea about finding this candle. So let's go for a second September. So Mindtree. So let's open here Mindtree to get the clear view. So where you can check that the Mindtree is keep on going up. So without making the scanner, before making the scanner, so we taken this as a spinning top and it broken the die, so that we are marked not today. So we have done before somewhere 1 week before we marked this candle. Still it is there. So once it is broken the high of 3594, now it is 3700 plus, right? So there is a candle which gives you the profit over the period of time. So this is not for intraday. It is a positional trade. So when it gives you the breakout, a lot of comment I'm getting. So if I'm going to take this position, okay, I'll explain you later that one. So previously, if you are checking that here, the same kind of pattern which forms, but only the problem, the second candle is little bit higher than that. But three falling, that is what a rising method, three falling candle after a rally and again a rally. So another opportunity at this highest point where the trend is continuing. So if you are marking that from here to here, so such a big risk, but the trend was broken here 3678. Now it is moving towards 3800, so somewhere around 150 points. From here it is near about 200 points. So based on the same candlesticks pattern, right? So let's delete it. So but how we got the scanner? So again 1 2 3 4 5. So this one, so I will delete this. From this candle to this candle, it forms a three rising method. So that is bullish. Yesterday it broken the high. So when we have taken 3784, the stop loss should be 3488. So the big risk only, but it should be continuous trend. Previous trend should be up and the pattern forms and there is a breakout. So there is an opportunity the market can move even higher. So that is what a continuation pattern. This is multiple candlesticks continuation pattern. right? And what other stocks which we have seen? So let's close it. LTTS. I think yesterday LTTS open gap higher and it moving such a big from 4096 it moves towards 4400, somewhere around 400 point it moves yesterday. The same candlesticks pattern where it is forms here, somewhere here. First candle is green and three black candles and the big red candle, sorry, green candle which closes above that level. So that is a pattern, and previous trend it is uptrend and now again it moves up. Hope you got it. What is the logic behind the method? So previously we will check random. Here a lot of stocks don't go for say let's check that Apollo Tire on 30th August. Let's say Apollo Tires 30th August. Can you see green candle, three black candle, again the candle is broken higher. But what happened at this point? The previous trend was in red, but it is showing a reversal, but we ignore it. The pattern which finding out and SBIN the same date. So a lot of stock which forms. I think this one. Correct. So this looks good. 1, 2, 3 and again big, and previous trend was in down. So we ignore it. But even though that was working. So we may manually select once we got that much of stocks which is filtered in a day, in a minute. So we will use for that. On the same 30th of August, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again you see the patterns. It broke on that eye, now it is moving. So there is an opportunity using the candlesticks pattern. So how you are going to do the trade? That is what different question. So when I find out a candlesticks pattern, I can do lot of trade. Okay, so there is a possibility. So let's have the example, this stocks you are going to select. So whatever it may be, whether it is making higher or lower, so leave it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. This 4 candles, we got a pattern and I have the breakout at this point. Someone who buy equity, someone who buys future, someone who buys option, someone who sells option, sell an option, sell a put option. So the point where we are finding out there is a bullish opportunity at this point with the stop loss below this point. So you can use someone who make edging trade here. I will do edge trade. So because it will reduce my margin as well as my risk. I don't need to be place the stop loss. And one question I got it from one of my subscribers. He asking about Jindal Steel. I'll let come to the point later. So how we can manage the stop loss. Okay, so this the candlesticks pattern which you are filtering out. Right? I hope this may be useful, and I'll just clear other doubts on my next video. So previously the stock is moving down. If you are watching the stock is moving down. There is a lower level spinning top where the market is started reversed from there. If I have the scanner, it will tell me or it will message me. This is the point. This kind of pattern is formed. Right. Without scanner, I cannot able to check all the under 200 future stocks in a day, daily. But not good. So that is why I make a scanner. If you want to use it. Other than you can go and search some other good scanners. Okay. You don't waste your time at this my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. And thank you again. Thank you.